guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is going to be an Amazon haul. It's a collective Amazon haul. I have a bunch of goodies to share with you all and I'm so excited. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, you want to see all of the home Amazon goodies that I purchased, then please just keep on watching. Okay guys, we are going to start off with some faux flowers. You guys, it's spring. It's officially spring. I don't know if you can hear the wind chimes outside. I have the windows open, the fresh breeze is blowing through. I've just been in a very spring inspired mood, so of course I had to pick up some more faux stems. I was looking around my house and even in my like excess home decor collection, I have a lot of faux stems, but I don't have a lot of faux flowers. So that's the perfect excuse for me to do a little shopping. I picked up these. I really like these. They're more of like a light green stem and leaf, which is not something I normally go for. Usually I gravitate towards leaves that are a little bit darker, but I really liked these. These are hydrangeas, right? I'm almost certain. And I loved the white flower. I feel like this would look perfect in any space. Right now I just have it in like a white vase like this. I think these are just really pretty. A quick tip with buying faux stems is separating the branches out, bending the branches and the stems and leaves that are attached just to make them look a little bit more fuller. When you first pull these out of the package, they're pretty narrow and like all clumped together. Spread them out, twist, bend the branches. Like every single branch I touched and bent to get it to look like this in the vase. And yeah, I just really like these. Obviously, you all know this. Everything will be linked in the description box on my Amazon storefront and then just the links, of course. Okay, moving on to this marble bowl. I really like this because it's kind of on a pedestal. I don't know about you, but sometimes when I'm decorating, I'm like, this corner or this area needs a little something, and maybe I'll have like huge vases, like something super tiny, like a little candle. I'm like, I need something in the middle that's still small. This is the perfect piece. It is extremely heavy. Not extremely, let me not be dramatic. I've been working out, so it's like not that bad, but it's pretty heavy. It's solid. It's 100% marble. You could even put like bowl filler in this. I think it would be nice. And I just love the way that this looks. I think on a stack of coffee table books, on a table, on one end of a table, even on a coffee table, I just think this is really nice. Okay, next up is something that I've had for a while. I said this is kind of like a collective haul. This lamp, I think this is so cute and so different and unique. I loved the scallop lamp shade. That's really what pulled me in to get this lamp, and also the size of it. You all know I am such a lighting girl. Lighting is everything to me. So I of course had to have like an extra lamp. You can never have enough like little lighting options. I was thinking maybe I could put this in the kitchen, but honestly it fits perfect in my office. I am constantly like in my office like when it's late in the evening, the sun is setting, it's turning nighttime. So having a little bit of mood lighting makes working in my office a little bit more enjoyable because it's just like nice lighting. It's nice to be in there. When it looks good, you feel good, you want to be in there. And I just really like this. It's the perfect size. How you turn this on is like a little clicker down here, which is great too because I have this on a shelf, so I don't have to be fumbling in to like find where to twist it. I don't know. It's the little details. I also love that the cord is clear, so it's not like so bold up against like my white walls. And I just really like this. I think this is very different and unique. I've never seen a lamp like this, and yeah, not that expensive either, so it's a win-win. Okay, next up is something really small, but it's all in the little details. Like I feel like small little things, attention to detail really makes your home come together. And this candle holder, I think this is so adorable, so cute. It's got like little feet. I don't know if this is supposed to be like I don't know, some sort of animal. Obviously, like it's not normal feet. I'm not quite sure whose animal feet these are, but this is adorable. Just picturing like a little white plain candle on top of this. Again, it's all about the little details, and this is just it for me. Okay, next up, this is really heavy. Next up is something that if you know, you know. I felt like such a real adult buying something like this. This is very nostalgic to me. I don't know if maybe my mom had one of these on her desk, or maybe my dad had one, or I don't know, somebody back in the day had one of these in their house. And it is a Newton's cradle. I'm gonna try to hold this so that you can see without me dropping it, hopefully. But basically, it's for relaxation. To me, it's very nostalgic. You just pick up one ball like this and then knock it up against the other one, and it obviously makes just like a soothing sound. It's supposed to like center you and relax you. I think this is so aesthetically pleasing. I put this in my office on the shelf, and it just adds to it. To me, this just screams grown. It screams office. It screams someone who is working, a businesswoman maybe. I don't know. There's just something about this that's like, yeah, she's working hard. She needs this to be able to relax. It's like a meditative sound, and I love it. It's on a marble base. It's chrome. Like, not only is it obviously like relaxing and cute, but it's very chic. Like, there's something about this that's like very vintage to me. Like I said, nostalgic, chic. I just love this thing. When I saw this on Amazon, I was like, oh my gosh, I completely forgot about one of those. If this is nostalgic for me, just like it is for you, if you have one of these, if you know someone who has had one of these, I'm really trying to support my hand because it is so solid. It is so heavy. I just love this thing. Okay, next up, something that's not solid at all, I'm gonna be completely honest, but it's just one of those things that I needed for organization, and it is a sunglass holder. I tried to get a cute one with like a white base and a gold like top. I think it's cute. I keep this inside my office closet. I don't keep it really out on display. I mean, you could, like, it's definitely cute, but I feel like if you are organizing your closet, maybe you have extra shelves in your closet, like an IKEA pack system, like sort of like what I have. I think this would be a really cute accessory. Obviously, you can hold your sunglasses on them. You can turn it around, I guess spin it, but it's not a spinnable type thing. Like, you can just turn this and spin it and get the sunglasses you want, but the mechanism itself does not spin, if that makes sense. But I think this is super cute. Like, for what it is, it's fine. I just needed something that can hold multiple sunglasses at one time without it having to lay flat and me place my sunglasses in. I needed something upright just for the sake of space, and this is cute. Like, it's cute, it's fine, it does the job. You just obviously hook your sunglasses on, and I do like this. But this is very like, it's lightweight. Rob put it together. You kind of have to like screw it in yourself. Okay, next up is this tray. I don't know if you all are gonna really be able to see it in its entirety, but it's this shagreen. I'm pretty sure it's like a faux shagreen tray. It's like this beige color, really nice, and then these gold handles. I just thought this was cute in my office on the glass shelving unit that I have. I just wanted a tray to be able to put like necessity things, just because I felt like the glass shelves were starting to look a little bit cluttered, and a tray is such an easy way to like keep all of your things purposefully in one space so it doesn't look cluttered and scattered. I highly recommend just getting either a larger tray like this size, maybe like a smaller one to keep your little knickknacks on. It just keeps it organized and it looks more intentional than just having all of your things on a shelf. So just categorizing your things, putting them on different trays helps keep it visually organized. So I just needed something. This is very lightweight, super affordable, but it's very, very chic, especially on, like I said, my glass shelves. Like, this just looks really, really nice. Doesn't take up that much space. It's not anything bulky. I just feel like you can always use a tray like this, a smaller tray, just to keep your things nice and neat. Okay, and the next two items I can't bring down. I mean, I guess I could. It's just heavy and it's already set up. It's actually on the mantle. Anyway, it is basically an art easel. It's like a dark brass color. I'm gonna insert some clips, and what you can do is slide the plates up and down depending on your art piece. So the art piece inside is also from Amazon, as well as the easel, obviously, and it's just a super chic way to kind of layer your artwork. And plus, you don't run the risk of your wall art kind of like sliding off. Like, it's in the brackets, it's not going anywhere. It's pretty heavy duty, and I love it. I think it just looks so styled. It looks so, I don't know if editorial is the right word, but like, it definitely looks like it's just very intentional, and I love it. I think it looks so nice. Okay, so next up, sticking with spring, is this throw blanket. I wanted something that was a little bit lighter in color but still had some texture. I will say this this knit is pretty thick. Like it's not like super thin. You can still cuddle up with this. I'm thinking like even like a summer night, a spring night. Like it's just very cute. I have it draped on our couch in the living room with some white and beige pillows. Y'all know how I am with the white and beige. I'm in my color era, but like my roots are neutral, you know this. So I just really like this. I like the tassels at the bottom of it. I think it's such great quality. When I was purchasing this, I noticed that they had a bunch of different colors and textures as well. So you can get like different patterns of this same brand. As soon as I got it, I took it out of the bag and I washed it. So it's super soft. I obviously use like fabric softener. It smells good. It's soft now. So yeah, it clearly has held up in the wash. I know that was kind of risky. Like as soon as you get something, washing it is like, okay, if I wash it, like that's it. It's mine. I hope it holds up in the wash. But luckily this did. I love how it has kind of like some gray in there as well. Just very, very chic. Okay, you guys, and the last thing that I picked up for this haul are these stems. I don't know how I'm gonna share this. Okay, I put it in this, I'm just gonna have to like hide myself. This vase, this is a Walmart find, and I just added some stems in here. Now the ones that I got from Walmart are these flowers. It's just another white flower like the first ones that I shared with you, and I love them. I'm pretty sure these are peonies, right? Yeah, pretty sure these are peonies. I think these are gorgeous. I love them with the mixed stem. So if you already have a vase in your house with faux stems that are just like a branch, just add in a layer of faux flowers and it gives it a fuller look, but it also looks more natural. I really like how this looks with the stems plus the flowers over just having like a pink flower in there. I mean, there's a time and a place because I do like that too, but this just gives like added layer, texture. It looks like an actual bouquet, like a styled floral arrangement. I just love this. I think this would be perfect as a centerpiece in like a dining room or a coffee table even. Right now I have this in the guest bedroom on the dresser, but you can easily just put this here on the coffee table. Like I think this is just really, really pretty. They're definitely not real touch. Like this feels plasticky, but from afar, like it definitely gives the vibe. Super affordable and I love them. All right, you guys, and that is pretty much it. That is all that I picked up on Amazon in this collective haul. I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you got some inspo on a couple of things from Amazon that you want to pick up, let me know in the comments which ones really caught your eye. My favorite is definitely the Newton's cradle, but you have to let me know yours. And like I said earlier, everything will be linked in my description box. It will be under Amazon storefront. You just click there and you can shop all of my goodies in one place. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And all of my Amazon home decor, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.